your jacket. Come and buy your jacket. Are you going to buy this jacket or not? Did you want to know how much I'm selling the jacket or not? All right, let's go to the market. Okay, I am selling my jacket, okay? With 50,000 naira, you can buy this jacket, but this jacket cost almost about 679 euro. So convert it in Nigeria money. But because that, I just want to do ogbele kwakwa, ogbele, so I will sell it for 50,000 naira. Are you ready? Are you ready? I'm not selling anymore. I'm not selling. I went to the laundry because I carry my jacket, my winter jacket to laundry. So that was the last 3 weeks. So I went to work. The perfume. The perfume is excess. I went to go and pick it some few days ago. They have washed it because I gave them to wash them because I cannot use the washing machine to wash it. So I have to take it to the laundry, to the dry cleaner. Yeah, dry cleaner, no laundry. Dry cleaner, Abby. You can see. So now I have to systemize them. They are going to the wardrobe. Let me go and take. I might talk because the way I'm looking myself is like as if I am not tall. The way I'm looking at myself, I am not tall. Let me try my best. I'm breaking. Oh God. My leg is not heavy before. Oh God, oh God. This one is the second jacket. Oh God. This one is the second jacket. There are 2. Yeah, this is my beautiful jacket. Okay. Okay. It's very demure. It's very yummy. It's very perfumable. It's very amazing. Oh yeah, let's just shake your body. You guys said that I should go for gym, so I'm doing my gym like this, shaking my ear, shaking my bum, shaking my belly, shaking everything unshakable. I am doing my sports. Since that nobody want to give me food, I will hang my leg here. Okay, I am going. I will hang my leg, yeah, and do it like this, so that I will not go and break anything. Like this is sports. This is sports. You do it like this. You do it like this. You do it like this. You will get flat ears and flat tummy by force. Okay. You see? So I'm going to systemize this part. We are done. Gege. This is where I store my jacket, winter things, and all the stuff. In the second room. That is how I roll it, okay? That is how I roll it. I roll it. Don't play. If not, you gotta learn the hard way.